Okay, show me how to read. I don't know. What's this? That's cool. Alright. What's that?
This.
What's that?
Bees.
Oh, this is good.
A bee.
What?
Bees.
Bees? Cool.
A bee. And frog.
It's a frog?
And frog.
You know what a frog says?
A bee. And this.
It's a bug.
A bee. And this.
The frog says, hey, ribbit, ribbit.
A bee. And ours.
Yeah, it's a horse.
A bee. And duck.
What does the duck say? Don't do say woof woof, silly. What does the duck say?
Meow.
No, you being silly now.
Meow.
No.
Meow.
What does the duck say? Quack, quack.
Quack, quack.
What are these?
And this.
Chickens? Chickens?
Moo.
Moo, it's a
A
moo.
bee. And
What's this called?
ook. Ook.
Yeah, but what is it? It's oink oink, but what is it?
Hmm.
It's a pig. Just like Poppy. What's this?
Meow.
Oh, that's meow. What's this? Cool.
Meow.
Cool, Delia.
A bee.
Cool.
Meow. A bee.
Delia,
And moose.
can you tell me a knock knock joke?
The moose.
It's
Delia,
a mouse. Good.
Delia, can you tell me a knock knock joke? Huh? Now you're done? Alright.
She's done.
Talk.